Taiwan is a small but highly industrialized island nation off the eastern coast of mainland China. Taipei, the country's capital city, is home to nearly 3 million people. In the heart of this large city, the Adventist Church operates the Taiwan Adventist Hospital, Songshan Adventist Church, a media studio, a publishing house, and an urban center of influence, all on the same block. The Urban Center of Influence is the newest addition. It was started in 2015, thanks to your contributions to the 13th Sabbath offering. Helen Yen lives in Taipei. Through a connection with the hospital, she began volunteering at the Adventist Center of Influence established on the first floor beneath the church. She always wanted to serve the community and became one of the center's few founding volunteers. At this center, the church offers classes on Alzheimer's disease, a major challenge in the community. Locals can also enroll in cooking, health, and exercise courses. During the week, about 70 people attend the Alzheimer's classes alone. Through music and interactive activities, Alzheimer's patients and their families find ways to cope with this progressive disease. The center's nutrition and cooking classes are also making an impact. People from all backgrounds value the Seventh-day Adventist outlook on health and wholeness. So far, some 400 people have visited Taipei's Adventist Church through the influence of this center. Helen was also personally impacted by the activities here. Volunteering gave her a new sense of fulfillment and joy. She began to visit the center on weekdays and was soon attending Bible classes led by Brenda, the center coordinator. Helen studied about the sacredness of the seventh-day Sabbath for the first time. Her life began to change, and she wanted to share the truth she found with everyone.
I like to come here every day. I just want to use myself, my only self, my language, touch the people, connect the people. I will think I can use the words in the Bible's truth and let them know I'm a Christian.
Helen continues to serve at the center and is preparing for baptism. She is one of the first fruits of a successful ministry that began in 2015. This center started because of Adventist members' generous contributions through the 13th Sabbath offering. Once again, a portion of this quarter's 13th Sabbath offering will expand the Taipei Center of Influence as well as help build 2 more centers in Taiwan. It will also benefit projects in China, Mongolia, Japan, and South Korea. Please pray that God will bless the Northern Asia-Pacific region through our contributions this quarter.